But no, I'm a young man and I can't get I want a boyfriend.
This is our little story and a true thing. Two hearts come together in a mutual win. Keeping it together with a real life. Welcome to the family, this is our life. It's perfect. I'll just set you here for me. You're the sugar to my tea. Meet the Mitchell family.
Who is it?
Stranger. Stranger.
Stranger.
Oh man, it's so weird.
Young girl, come
So
through.
weird. Oh, me so weird.
Oh, go on. Me never looking for catch you when you reach. In them early morning, I'm just come in off of the road. Drop
Just
Alex
come in?
and yeah, me have to carry mommy go. Mommy and Robin drop them off.
Oh.
Well, go on, young girl. Everything
But
good.
only you wake up.
Mommy, Tami, run this or somewhere.
Where?
Just feed Peppa.
Will you feed Peppa?
Yeah.
You feed Peppa?
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you to wake up early.
Boys are not wake up.
Yeah, Mr. Jackson like him wake up.
Oh, what's so cold? Look
Yo,
wake
no,
up
town
this
did chilly too.
Jesus.
Town chilly too. Me not tell you no like last night.
Cold.
Yeah, true
Oh,
man.
man. You're a wheeze.
Imagine how foreign cold.
Stop.
If Jamaica so chilly, foreign must cold. Give me an update. When are they in a foreign? Give me an update. Foreign supposed to be well cold right now.
Hi, MoMo.
Good morning.
What's up?
You're up early. You did it.
I did it.
I'm coming to make some milky for us.
Okay, where am I watch Peppa Pig?
Yes, he slept in my room, in my bed last night. And him a fight all in him sleep. Him give me some kick and some pump. I was like, Ozzy. So needless to say, I did not sleep very well.
Oh no.
Yeah, that's it. How did you sleep? When the boys sleep in my bed, we just like gotta sleep in the boys' room.
Bunk bed, man, it's very comfortable in there.
I catch him in the top bunk the other day, people. Just so you know.
I have to test out all the bed them and make sure some pick them alright.
How come Jack's not still asleep? This is too many screens. Pick one.
Mike, I don't tell you about that something there already.
Thank you.
Right, I never even there preset from last year, I not see her.
She look
You see me last year. Remember the New Year?
No, but remember say you left in the early morning, never see when the new year really
I'm
begins.
so happy to see you. You look so nice. No.
We just the photo shoot with her like while.
Wow. Wow. You look nice, mommy.
You're so happy she's here, right? Yeah. You can see me from honey, but look who's running Oh. Can I get that one?
Yeah.
How about mommy? Happy to start
Oh
Wait,
gosh.
yeah, oh God.
Wake up.
Comb here, you know.
You look
From
really
last night,
good.
me comb it.
You look really good.
Correct seem to do it, but me never.
Maureen,
get the
this
time.
make you look young.
A real talk still, you know?
May I tell you?
I one of the best look this film, I'm not
And
tell
I
you no
look,
lie.
I'm 60 this year.
I know,
Oh
almost
my.
this month.
This
Yeah,
month.
60 this year.
Just
This
like
month.
that.
This month, yeah. 21st.
I know.
I'm 60.
On my calendar.
Thank be to God.
They could have passed to 46.
Easy.
But no, I'm a young man and I can't get I want a boyfriend.
I joke
I'm
this.
tired of sleeping. I know. Yesterday morning, me get up 3 o'clock and listen to confidence series. So,
Somebody that didn't even talk to.
talk to.
Oh
Sleep in my bed.
gosh.
It's fine. I'm 3 o'clock in the morning. Boy, you're super nice, man.
The people are MoMo and Alex Month. Let me tell you that blunt. So you say, which date again, MoMo?
21.
Yeah, 21st.
21st. Okay. What? Alex 12 and yeah, 21st. Reverse.
It's on there. Look, it's already on there.
Yeah. Reverse the 12
Yeah.
and get the 21.
Come on, my butt. Ready? Steady. Hold tight. Hold tight. Sit down and come sit down and drink your milk. Sit down and drink it, alright? Give me susu.
Watch it.
Sit down and drink your milk. So a friend of mine gave me a copper water bottle for Christmas. It's so funny because I was reading up about the benefits of drinking water from a copper vessel, and it has a lot of benefits. Have you guys ever heard of this? And tell me what you think if you've ever tried it. Interesting, right?
Have you ever heard of the benefits of drinking out of copper?
Yeah, it's a real thing.
Mommy, want gummies?
Huh? You want gummies? But Ozzy, who is that? Who is that?
It's MoMo.
Oh yes, my nails are beautiful.
The kids them happy when Momo come and see man.
Nobody happy like a we.
But nobody don't happy like we. That's just
I feel
fact.
new. I feel new way.
Yo, I feel renewed. Trust me. Yeah, your copper vessel.
Before you drink anything, you must drink liquor. Yeah. Want some? Or you done drink something already?
Give me some now.
No, if you done mess up your system, don't bother it.
I mean mess up my system. I want to where I give
Mess
up
the
on my
peanut in your
system.
teeth.
Yeah, give up on my system.
Let me see you smile.
I fix me. I said for fix
Oh
your
God, you
business,
did a
boss,
whole
peanut in
vlog
a-
with piece of peanut in your teeth, Wayne.
It's alright.
Come on.
People them know say a peanut me I eat. Guys, tell me what is wrong with this picture right now.
Is me other one?
No, what is wrong with this picture?
Your Christmas tree.
The Christmas tree is still up. People, after Christmas pass, the worst thing is to take down the Christmas tree. It just feels so daunting. Anybody else have them Christmas tree up still? Or we look bad right now? Feet with how much day in January were they?
4th.
The 4th?
But I think it's the 6th or the 9th it's supposed to come down by.
Okay. So other people have up them Christmas tree then?
No, I see some people up there yesterday pack it up. I was like,
Hey, more time the whole of January on Christmas tree. We're not gonna make it so bad this year though. God no. Guys, like our Christmas season just done, right? And I forgot use up them joke out because time I run out on them. How much did Santa pay for his sleigh? Nothing, it was on the house. Hold on. What kind of music? This one easy still. What kind of music do elves listen to? Not Elvis. What kind of music do elves listen to? Easy. Rap music. Last one. I'm gonna give you a clue. The clip before I have the clue. Why Mrs. Claus vexed with Santa all Christmas? Why? He had too many ho-ho-hos.
peanuts still in your teeth. Peanuts still in your teeth.
Yo, love me no my youth. Nobody gonna see the peanut in a yard. Draw attention now. So tell me where we're going.
We need to send me pretty up. But I have a passport picture, I have a visa picture.
No, Tami, you are the realest Jamaican in this moment.
No, but
Tami,
when it's 10 years, it's 10 years, you have it for you know?
Yeah, but who cares? Nobody going to see it more
in
than two
10 years?
immigration officer.
Wait, in 10 years, I'm going to be 48. Oh my God, by the way, you'll never believe what happened finally for me.
Wow.
I have 4 gray hairs.
Really?
Yes,
Which part of them there?
right here.
Oh
Can
my
you see them?
God, Tami, you joined the
on.
Grey Hair Club. Wait, I can't see them.
Just look here, so.
I see one of people
I
blow
have
through.
4.
Gee!
Nicey.
Yeah,
I've
that's
waited
nice.
a long time for those.
Oh my God.
I don't think I'm gonna color them. I'm just gonna leave them.
When you see them start pop out, yeah, touch them up.
Wait, they're dandruff out in my head?
You know, say food.
Anyway, we're taking Oz as well. So yeah, one step closer to foreign. That's what this mission is. Let's get closer to foreign.
You know, say you're foreign greed, though.
I can't wait to go. Let's do this.
You're foreign greed.
Wanga match.
You even have a foreign smell right now. A barrel smell.
Let's go.
You did it Irish
smell.
drink.
It's a foreign smell.
You did it Irish drink today.
No.
Nobody sees it but some immigration officers.
That's my pleasant face.
Smile, Boozy.
You know, smiling. And a grown mama. Good job, sit up straight. Good job. We'll take another picture, okay?
You're welcome.
Alright. Thank you so much. You're so patient. Thank you. Yummy. Oh wow, I think I might need a bite of that. Is it good?
Sure.
We just stopped to get a little lunch and I'm very excited. Of course, we have to drop off Ozzy Boozy because we can't manage and flex her yet. But soon. You on the phone?
Hello.
Who you on the phone to?
Hello. How are you? Okay, bye. Bye. See you later.
See you later. See you later, alligator. What you calling?
Hello.
Oh, catch it. Oh, it's okay.
It's okay.
You catch it on the ear, like mommy.
Cut.
Let me see you catch it again on your ear.
I cut it.
Catch it like this. Right.
Hello. Bye bye. See you later.
Who you talking to?
Okay, bye. See you later.
And I burp too.
Remember, Mommy, help me.
Help you where? Where you put it in your pocket? It can't fit in there. I don't think it can fit in your pocket, Boozy. Let's try. Alright, yeah.
Mommy, remember.
I remember.
Remember.
You like that? Ring ring! Ring ring! Who is that? Ring ring!
Hello?
Answer it! Answer the phone, Ozzy.
Hello. Hi. Hello. Mommy, help me.
Oh, it's by me? Here, catch it on your ears. Who is
No.
it?
No. Help me.
Okay. Hi!
Help
Who is
me.
it? Oh, hi, how are you?
Mommy.
Oh, hold on for Ozzy. I
Hi.
want to talk to you.
Hello. Okay, bye.
Oh, okay. Let me help you put it back in. Alright.
All right.
Oh no, what happened here?
Mommy.
What happened?
Mommy.
Yes?
Mommy.
Who did that, Ozzy?
All right. I help you.
Can you help me? Can you fix it back, please? Fix it for mom. One food sweet. Belly full. Have to sleep. I want to sleep. So guys, Ozzy is gonna be trying to sleep in his bed tonight. So I put a bed railing on this side. Hear them too. And then I found this board. It's just like a styrofoam board. I think it's like a, you know, like a flotation device. And I just kind of stuck it on that side because it has those braces there. So it should work. Can't really like fall through, you know, it's pretty sturdy. So yeah, let's hope. Let's see how he does. Let's see. In the meantime, we're about to get some dinner going for these boys. There's some ice cream happening right now. Yum. And yeah, that's pretty much it right now. Wayne is waiting to get a call from Alex to go and pick him up from school because we're doing the drop-offs and pickups for Alex this week. So, yeah, we're just waiting on that.
She a yarn, but me just sleep where. Three boy wake up like the 6 o'clock bells. Me slap wet. Me did half asleep to the star. Me tired out. I'm wake up too early, and of my bells them early morning time there. But
Don't worry, I caught you sleeping.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Look at me there like me I give public service announcement. I wanna don't know that already.
They already knew.
Wickedness. Anyway, you catch me my
This
mouth
is
open?
no, but this is a public service announcement. Is that Atlas on the barrel out there?
I don't know. Make sure it's a cute sleep you're catching a cute angle, you know.
You can sleep cute. Atlas, stop.
Anyway, what we have to tell them? We have to tell them about all angles.
All angles. We are actually being featured on all angles
Tonight, Wednesday
when you watch it tonight.
Wednesday the what?
The 5th.
The 5th.
At 8:30 p.m. on TVJ.
8:30 on TVJ with
I am nervous.
With Dean Jackson Miller.
The great.
The great.
The goat.
The toughest. The roughest.
The nicest.
The spiciest.
So lovely. I was so scared. So she wanted us to do this all angles for a long time, and I kept saying to Wayne, why? Like, where we us? Me and you? Like,
no, suppose me tell you say me I run from her a long time because I don't know, there's something about her that is just no holds barred, and but you see there's a side of her. There's a side of her that is
lovely.
Very nice. She's a lovely human being. I respect her so much. I think that she represents the element of just fair, unbiased media that we all should love.
She represents excellence in her field.
Absolutely.
Complete excellence. And it was a real honor to sit down with her.
Yeah.
I can't remember anything I said. So when we do interviews, we often have, I don't know if you feel this, but I often have this time where I'm nervous. And I'm like, what did we say? Like... But it's a great thing when you just, I guess, tell your truth.
Yeah, no, it's a good sit down. It was right here at the house. So you guys need to check it out. And those who are not available to get TVJ, so the diaspora,
One Spot Media or something.
It's streaming live on One Spot Media as well.
Yeah.
You probably can catch a repeat too as well.
Yeah.
Who knows?
Or if you guys know how, just leave it in the comments to let other people know. I love when you guys are. I love when you inform each other of things that you heard us say before, or we appreciate that. So thank you.
Yeah, so that is tonight. So make sure you guys tune in. Anything else?
No.
Nothing
I
else?
hope it goes well.
Yeah. I'm happy that you're one step closer to getting the passport stuff and getting us able to travel. I feel still. I coming at the new year with the same clothes, the same. I need to do a shop now. A foreign. I need to do some shopping.
But thank you to our first cousins as well who've been giving us amazing information about like even getting the visas and stuff. So thank you for that. So when you know, you share, right?
That is it.
Did I show you guys how the pictures turn out? I should show you. I'll show you and then I'll do the comments over it. Mine not so good. I tell you the truth. I forget if I put on lipstick, I look pale, but whatever, man.
After all of this hairdo,
after the hairdo, she was like, your hair can't be on your shoulders. I was like,
the curls them.
I have to see the ears.
The curls them.
And then I was like, ears and just look at here.
All right, guys. See you soon.
Bye.